Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our W57 smartwatch, and we're going to focus now on the Bluetooth call SMS as well as the notifications, okay, especially for the social app notifications. So we're going to check on that. Okay, we are done with the specs, we are done with the menus and features, and this time we are going to check on the call functionality of this wearable as well as the smart notifications. So if you have any questions regarding this demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Again, this is your W57 smartwatch. So we're going to try it, okay, and test it with the aid of its support app, okay? Okay, we already paired it with our support app. As you can see here, we have the Watch Pro app, okay, and as you can see here, we already paired it, okay. So to be able to receive notifications, okay, you need to allow the support app, okay, to send SMS or calls or app notifications to your smartwatch, okay. So just allow the permissions here. So here we already activated the call notice, SMS, as well as the WhatsApp application here. If you want the messenger, you can also activate it here, okay. So we are now paired with the smartwatch for the notifications, okay. One more thing, okay, you have to go here first to the Bluetooth section, okay, tap on more settings, and this one, the watch call, just pair it with your smartwatch, okay. So just allow it. Okay, so we are now paired. As you can see here, connected to phone audio, connected to media audio, and used for contact sharing. Okay, let's go back to our M Active Pro and let's see. Okay, okay, so we are now connected to the support app. Okay, so let's try first with this application. Okay, as you can see here, we already tested it earlier. So let's send the message and see how it works. Hello, how are you? Okay, as you can see here, we receive notifications from the application. As you can see, we have the logo here. So you have the option to read it or just delete the conversation or the information. Okay, as you can see, we have some previews notifications. Okay, so SMS, you see the logo for SMS here. You see the logo for the WhatsApp application. Okay, it has its own logo also for Twitter. Okay, as you can see here. So Twitter logo, we have SMS. We also have the WhatsApp application. Okay, so you can read it directly here in the smartwatch. Okay, let's try if it works with this one, emoticon. Okay, hello, it's me, where are you now? Okay, okay, oops, where's that? Did we receive it here or it's just delayed? Again, it's me, where are you? Okay, so just delayed. It's me, where are you? Okay, from Sam. As you can see here. Okay, So we have it here. But the first one, the second message, hello, it's me, where are you now? Is it here? No. Okay, but anyway, you can read at least one sentences here. I don't know if you how many characters this the smartwatch support. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so the last one is MMM. And we put the smiley here. Okay, so there's no support for the emoticon, but we still have a very long, okay, as you can see here, sentences here. Okay, or at least one sentence here, so you can read a lot of text here in the W57 smartwatch. Okay, so let's try. How about SMS? Okay, so let's try. Okay, let's try to send SMS messages. Will it work? Okay, so seems like we're having an issue with the network. Okay, anyway, let's copy again. Paste. Is this the number? Let's wait. Okay, so let's try another one here. Okay, let's send a message. So we have some issue with the network. Okay, did receive an SMS. Okay, so here again. So again, it relies on your network. So my network right now sucks. So my is uh, unstable. Okay. Did we receive? No. Did we receive it here? Okay, let's try to erase. Maybe it's already full. Full. Okay, so we receive a message. Okay, as you can see here, already full. So I think you really have to remove or delete the previous messages here. Okay, maybe it's the memory is already full. That's why we are having a hard time receiving some messages. Okay, as you can see here, we have 3 messages for Sam. Okay, can we read other? So that's it. Okay, you can. Oh, we already deleted our previous messages, I think. Okay, so that's it. So the SMS works as well as the application, okay, for WhatsApp works also. Okay, we can receive messages. How about the calls? Can we receive calls now? Okay, so let's check here. So here we are connected. Okay, let's try to send or call the smartphone. Okay. Okay, so we have here. Okay. So it is listed here, Nina phone 2. Okay, let's deny. Okay. So the number here is already added. Okay. Let me show it to you. Okay. So here it's already added or included in our contacts, as you can see here. Okay. So how did we do it? Okay. In your support app, in the M Active Pro, so here just tap on the frequent contacts and you can add the number. Okay, again on the M Active Pro, just go to the frequent contacts and add the number. So you can see here we can receive call or Bluetooth call. Okay, so we have it here. Okay, it is available in our call records. Okay, for the dial pad, let's see. So this is now our numbers 0969615839. Okay, it's now calling.
Your number cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and dial again. Your number cannot be completed as dialed. Check the number and dial again.
Yes, I know. 969. Again, let's do it again. 61583. Oh, did we? Okay, it's now calling. Okay, as you can see here, so it works. Okay, so we can initiate call here directly in the wearable. Okay, so if you want also to call someone, it's also available here if you add it to the contact list. Okay, so what if someone calls us? Okay, so let's try. Okay, and let's demonstrate and see if we can answer it with our smartwatch. Okay, so let's see. Okay, hello, 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 this is a test. Okay, very clear. So the volume is very clear, and as you can see, you can really initiate calls here directly in the wearable. Okay, so far it works. Okay, let's go back and check on our call logs here. Okay, so we have dial pad, we have the phone here, you also have the contacts, you can add one. Okay, you have the call records also. Okay, so far it works. Okay, so the messaging feature, the smart messaging feature of this wearable works, as well as the call feature. Okay, so you can also add to the contacts if you want. As you can see here, it is registered here. Okay, just don't forget to activate this one here. Okay, so if you don't activate this, okay, and you go to the call section, let me show it to you. Okay, where's the call? Phone. As you can see here, so it notifies you that you have to activate this first. Okay, so it's available here in the settings. Okay, so that's it for the W57 Smartwatch Bluetooth call functionality, as well as the SMS and the app notification function. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the demo, just drop a comment below. Okay, and we will answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.